Replacing the M-core transfer valve cartridge. The first step to any successful plumbing installation is preparation. To be sure you understand the scope of this project, Moen recommends watching this entire video before you begin. In this video, we'll demonstrate the replacement for an M-core transfer valve cartridge. Please note, this is an advanced project. Moen recommends installation by a professional plumber. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools for the project. Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, a 3/32" hex wrench, a pick, and safety glasses. Before starting any plumbing project, be sure to shut off the home's main water supply. If you aren't sure where the main shutoff is located, contact your local water company for assistance. Once you've completed this task, turn on a faucet at the lowest point in the home to drain the lines. If you have any questions throughout the installation process, please call Moen Consumer Services. Now you're ready to remove the M-core transfer valve cartridge. First, ensure the handle of the mixing valve is in the off position. Next, you'll remove the transfer valve lever handle set screw with a 3/32" hex wrench. Then, remove the handle. Now use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold on the escutcheon and remove it from the wall. Then, you'll remove the 2 screws from the mounting plate and remove it from the wall. Next, you can remove the cartridge nut and pull out the cartridge. Now you're ready to install the new M-core transfer valve cartridge. First, determine if your shower system has 2 or 3 showering devices, so you can make a few initial modifications. If there are 3 showering devices, follow these steps before proceeding. First, you'll remove the clip. Then, remove the limiter. You can discard these items. If there are 2 showering devices, you will not remove the limiter and clip. To complete the process, you'll then reinstall the cartridge and nut. Tighten it by hand. Then snug with a wrench. Now you're ready to install the transfer valve trim. First, using the 2 screws, you'll attach the mounting plate to the valve. Then, use the 2 additional screws to attach the escutcheon plate. To add the transfer valve handle, you'll need to make sure the notch on the cartridge stem is facing down. Now you'll slide the adapter into the handle and start the set screw. Next, be sure the handle is pointing down. Then you'll slide the handle with the adapter onto the cartridge stem and finish tightening the set screw. Congratulations! Your transfer valve cartridge replacement is complete. For more specific instructions, please refer to your printed instruction sheets or call Moen Consumer Services.